How to order checks from Keybank. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options, either to verify using a one-time passcode or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. Once you're signed in, click on your Key Smart Checking account. At the upper right part of the screen, you will see several options. Click on More. There you will see an Order Checks option. Click on Order Checks. Then you will see a pop-up window asking if you want to order checks. Click on Place Order to continue. Now select the type of check you wish to order. In this video, we chose the safety blue paper duplicate. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Continue. After that, review the information that will be imprinted on your check. After customizing your check, click on the Update Cart button. Then on this page, you will see your order summary. On the first field, enter your email address to have notifications on the order confirmation. Then review the following details. After reviewing, and if everything looks good, click on the Place Your Order button. That's it. Thanks for watching.